Hi Dress-Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Opila Bird from Garten of Banban. So let's get started. To draw this cute monster bird, let's first start by drawing a big circle for the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to start with a circle, and I'm going to try to make it a little bit lighter on this circle right here. And then we're going to come out about right here, close to it, and draw another circle. What I meant is there's not necessarily a black line around this, it's just a from there. Now that we have the two circles in, let's come back inside and we're going to draw another circle. Right inside. So same thing over here. And then I'm going to come to the sides right here and draw another circle for a highlight and then shade this all in. And same thing here. There. So now that the eyes in, let's come to the center, the bottom right here, and we're going to draw a big curve for the beak. So about right here, I'm just going to start with a very deep curve right into the center between the eyes, and then we're going to bring it down this really big beak. So to about right there, then I'm going to round this part off and then bring it towards the center down. So bring it all the way down. So same thing here, just round this corner off and then bring it all the way down. So kind of this sharp end. So my Sharpie is a little thick, but this part is supposed to be nice and sharp right there. Then we can come back to the part underneath the beak right here, and I'm just going to draw curve and then another curve just for the underside to give our beak some definition. So I'm just going to come in here. Now that I've muddled it up, I should have used a thinner Sharpie, but just want to make this part nice and sharp. There, so hopefully you get the idea from that. Now that I've raised that, wait for it to dry a little bit. Okay, so now that I have this beak in, let's go ahead and we're going to frame the face, so the head. So I'm going to come to the center of my eye, get really close to it, and give myself a point right next to it. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw this curve over the eyes. Not too high, so say about right here. And then we'll come down to the other side for the silly bird. Okay, so now that we have that, let's bring it down. So this is based off of a flamingo, if I'm correct. So we need to give this bird a long neck. So let's keep going down. I'm going to bring this in a little bit, this side as well. So now that we're past the beak, let's keep going. And then this side is going to start to come out. And let's go ahead and bring this in. So just kind of want to bring this in. This part is probably slightly straighter, and then it comes out. Then about right there, we're going to cave in a little bit and then come out. So this is where we're going to start to draw the body. So for the body, it's just kind of this wobbly, ovalish shape. So let's come down here. I'm just going to go back and forth. We're just going to bring this out. And then about right here, we're going to bring it in. Just take a look back and forth to about right there. Wobble a little bit, just so it's not just a perfect oval. There, just gives it a little bit more definition. Then from there, we're going to come back into this space right here. Just give myself a point, and I'm just going to draw a curve right here. And then we're going to bring this down all the way to about here, and then bring it in for the wing. So it's very important, if you can, just give it this little corner right here. It just makes it a little bit, looks a little bit better. You can pop that in right there for the wing. Then from there, let's go to the other side. So about right here. And we're going to pop out this wing right here. So just angle down. And it's going to end about the same height as the other side. So about right here, just bring it in. There. And before I forget, very important, we're going to need to draw 3 of these feathers that sticks out. So I'm just going to go ahead and just draw 1, 2, and 3. Makes it so cute. There. Silly bird, right? And then now for the legs. So I'm going to come, let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw 2 lines coming down about there and say about right here. About that long. Now that I have the legs in, let's go ahead and we're going to draw the feet. So I'm going to bring them out. Very simple. Just 3 of these. And 1 in the center. So same thing here. So this part, if it overlaps, just tuck it in. And once again, just tuck. There. So we have the feet in. And I don't believe we see the tail, so I'm just going to leave it like that. And last but not least, I'll add a heart right here to make this my just so cute Opila bird from Garten of Banban. I really hope I helped you draw fun and easy today and that you had fun drawing along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.